where the rain falls on an empty field on the Santee Reservation in northeastern Nebraska, was once a bustling place of family, friends, and togetherness. Every summer, the Native American tribe holds a powwow to recognize their rich culture and history.
I miss that. I miss the dances. I miss the color of the regalia.
Tim Trudell from Omaha used to drive into the reservation every summer for the big celebration, but the tradition was quickly put to a stop during the pandemic. Tim's brother, Roger Trudell, the chairman of the Santee Dakota tribe, says they've lost much more than just their traditions.
Well, it's pretty much closed our community, kind of about destroyed our businesses. And that was on top of the flood the year before. We didn't even recover from the flood, and then we had to start dealing with COVID. So
every part of life on the reservation has been affected by the virus: school, healthcare, and overall well-being.
I think we had almost 3 times the normal amount of deaths that we experienced in a year.
While cases remained low, deaths soared. Not directly linked COVID deaths, but all the secondary issues that came with the virus.
The fear of COVID, of getting COVID, those things all add to not being well. So if a person had underlying issues to start with, can't get into the clinics, scared to go to the emergency room or whatever, you end up dying.
The Santee Clinic has been quickly trying to vaccinate the reservation of a little over 1,000 people. And despite historical mistrust between tribes and the government, Native Americans are eager for the opportunity to get vaccinated.
Native Americans have always been low priority for the government to care for them.
Tim was vaccinated at the Fred Leroy Health and Wellness Center in South Omaha, the tribal clinic that cares for Native Americans living off the reservations. The clinic recognizing their services are needed far beyond South Omaha.
Reservations aren't set up like a CHI or a UNMC. Reservations, some of them are poor.
Tribes are helping other tribes with COVID-19 efforts so they can all get back together and sing and dance to a better life post-COVID-19. Reporting in Santee, Rudolph Sinida, 3 News Now.